Hello guys, hello, welcome back to my channel English with Avikya. Today I am going to share you 5 daily habits that can help you to improve communication skills and your English learning. You know, if you are beginner and you are trying to improve your communication skill and your English learning journey, so this video is really can help you. You know why I'm sharing this video? Because I am also following these habits nowadays. Although I have a lot of responsibilities and a busy schedule, after all I am improving myself. Okay, so now let's get started. Habit number 1 speak. Whatever come in your mind, just speak. Whenever you get time, just try to speak. What can we speak, ma'am? So just speak. Describe your daily routine, whatever you are doing. Describe like what you are doing, what you did, and what you are going to do. So everything, just speak. Don't think about the perfect English. You know, if you will think about perfect English, I think you can't able to speak in a single word. You can't utter a single word, because you have to focus on speak. Why I'm saying to you? Because if you will speak, definitely you remove your hesitation, you remove your fear. Don't think about making mistake. Don't afraid about making mistake, because mistake is like our uh, learning process. Habit number 2 habit number 2, this is very important. Learn few words, actually use them. Listen, you have to learn few words throughout the week. Don't rush to learn. If you will learn 100 of vocabulary in a whole week days, this is not easy to memorize all those words in your regular conversation. Your sometimes you feel very like bored, and you feel frustrated. Why I am learning those words, how can I use, because I learned that those words. So don't, I think there is no need to learn lots of vocabulary and word and those. Okay, if you are learn like 3 and 2 word in a week, try to repeat in your regular conversation. Whenever you get opportunity, whenever you get chance to talk to other, try to recall those vocabulary. In this way you fluent your vocabulary. Don't think about advanced vocabulary. This is your initial level, this is your beginning time. So beginning time you have to enjoy, make it more productive, try to make it more healthy. Don't think about like more word. So now let's move on. Habit number 3, which is most important. Like whatever you are saying, just record yourself, write it down. Whatever you are speaking, whatever you are saying, just record yourself. You know what will happen if you will record yourself? If you will record yourself, after recorded session you will start to hear, then you realized, oh no, that kind of mistake I am making, because those were very silly mistake. There was no need to make. So if you will record it, if you will hear, listen your recorded, say, watch carefully. So you realize you were making like some silly mistake, like structure, vocabulary, phrases, idiom, and sentence, broken sentence. You realize, yes, next time I don't repeat those mistakes, and I would say I don't make again these mistake. Okay, if you write it down, so if you will try to read what did you wrote, so try to read out loud. What will happen if you will read out loud? It will, it feels like, yes, I did it something special, which is very important, which is required when I'm starting my English speaking learning journey. This is very important part. Next, habit number 4. Try to watch English content. Doesn't matter, like someone, like I am saying I am watching English conversation video and podcast, you have to also watch those. No, not at all. Because you have to watch whatever you are feeling, whatever you are enjoying. Just try to watch those content, which is very important. You have to watch like a cartoon. If you do, you like really, sometime I really like whenever my daughter watch, so I sit beside her and started watching. But if you like English movies, web series, podcast, conversation, whatever you are enjoying, just watch. I'm not forcing you. You should also don't force yourself, don't pressurize yourself. Because if you will pressurize yourself watch English content, it will not happen, right? You are not continue this journey, sometime it will be frustrate for you. So what you have to do, you have to just if you are a beginner, if you are trying to improve your communication skills, so just watch 5 to 10 minutes, more than enough. If you are if this is your initial level, just 10 to 5 minutes, more than enough. Like maximum people said, maximum speaker said, try to watch those content multiple times. No, it's not like when it's happening with me also. When I start watching multiple times, no, I can't watch. Yes, try to watch. If duration is almost 5 and 3 minutes, that's enough. If you want to watch, try to watch more than once, that's enough. Okay, so if you will watch, like something is putting on in our mind, after few time, definitely it's automatically come from our mouth. Habit number 5th, this is the last habit, not the least habit, is think in English. What I'm saying, this is not easy. Yes, this is not easy. Think in English. Initial I used to heard this word, definitely I feel very frustrated. Why they are asking me to think in English? It is not easy for me because I am very comfortable my mother tongue. Why they are asking me? So, but after few time, like day by day, little by little, it's gradually, automatically, like I think in English. Nowadays, it's happening with me. I don't know why, I don't know how, but it's happening with me. I just think in English and speak out loud whatever come in your mind. I'm not thinking about making mistake, and I'm not afraid making mistake, and I'm not thinking like what I'm saying, is it correct or not. So think in English. But if you will, if you are starting, like if you are starting level, so it is very frustrating for you because this will not happen overnight. Fluency doesn't come at overnight, it will take time because this is our second language, right? So try to this activity at least 30 days, only 30 days. After 30 days you will see some changes, you will see some differences in your personality, in your language, in your thinking. Definitely it will happen. So what should we think in English? You think in English your daily routine, you think in English what you are doing, what you are cooking, what you have to do, what you are going to do. Are you going to get ready to your kids from this school? So think in English those things. Okay, so I hope you able to understand what I want to make you understand. Definitely this is a learning journey part. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel for more English conversation video. And thanks for your love and support. Now let's grow together, shine together and learn together. Thank you so much. Jai Shri Krishna.